This is Mighty Machines, where you'll witness the most epic, hair-raising, heart-throbbing, mighty beasts in action. From clumsy rookies to masterful operators, we've got it all. Buckle up and enjoy the ride. An extremely dangerous situation unfolded when the tree decided to pull a fast one. Before the wedge could be inserted to steer its fall, the rebellious trunk split vertically and came crashing down like it had a vendetta. To make matters worse, the chill hole, a supposed safety measure, proved about as useful as a screen door on a submarine. Thankfully, no one got flattened. Get ready, folks. It's time to unleash some serious horsepower. Koga and Vincent Couture are about to put these beasts of trucks through their paces. Who's got what it takes to dominate the showdown? Those poor engines pushed to their limits, screaming louder than a kettle on full blast. If you're into simple yet insanely powerful solutions, get ready to be impressed. With a high mechanical advantage rigging system and a modest 18 horsepower tractor, stump removal turns into pure magic. Watch and marvel as the job gets done with effortless precision. It almost looks like an impossible task. And just like that, the job is done. Ever driven past one of those massive logging trucks, utterly awestruck by the sheer mountain of trees they're hauling? And at the same time, you feel a chill run down your spine. Because let's be honest, the thought of a support beam snapping mid-journey is enough to make anyone grip the wheel a little tighter. But take a moment to marvel at the raw power of that crane. Effortlessly tossing those massive trees around like they're nothing more than matchsticks. It's a jaw-dropping display of engineering meeting brute force. Remember that massive logging truck I was talking about? Well, accidents really do happen. Here's a daring feat featuring one of Desi's haulage tractors. These machines are renowned for their robust performance in challenging conditions. For instance, the Desi H140T haulage tractor has been showcased navigating river crossings while transporting heavy loads, demonstrating impressive capability. Do you think this tractor will cross the river safely? Absolutely, smooth as butter. How about turning an entire tree into nothing but a pile of sawdust? Well, feast your eyes on this. It's mulching magic at its finest. Fast, efficient, and leaving barely a trace behind. Now that's what I call a quick solution. Let's get a close-up. This is so satisfying, I could do this all day long. Amazed? Let's keep up with the action and take a look at the TT4. This thing's an absolute monster. Snow? Doesn't even flinch. Heavy loads? Handles them like a champ. This machine is pure unstoppable power. What do you think? The Desi three-wheel cane loader may look like a circus act, but it's built for stability and agility. Its three-wheel design enables it to handle heavy loads, navigate tight spaces, and load trucks with ease, making it both efficient and reliable. How do you think this is going to pan out? Let's just see. Think a fallen tree is harmless? Never underestimate the weight of a fallen tree. These drivers demonstrate exceptional skill and unwavering determination. Facing such high-risk challenges every single day requires extraordinary courage. Their commitment to this demanding profession earns them nothing but admiration and respect. I've got to admit, that kind of task is absolutely not my cup of tea. Certainly not what you see every day, and not something you would try at home, but let's see how these boys get the job done with sheer power. Today we're taking on a true titan, a majestic bur oak that's been standing tall for centuries, watching history unfold. This isn't just any tree, it's a piece of living history. And guess what? No fancy excavators in sight, but this old boy. Who needs high tech when you've got tried and true old school techniques and a solid dose of elbow grease?
There it goes! There it goes! I'm backing the hell up!
Let's talk about New Zealand alder, truly top-tier timber. I can confidently say these trees are some of the finest you'll find. And the log skidder? Sure, it's a bit old school, but it's a tried and true method that delivers results. This crew knows their craft inside out, working with a deep respect for the trees and an unwavering focus on safety. It's a rare skill in today's world, but seeing it practiced so expertly here is like stepping back into a tradition that still thrives, complete with the satisfying scent of fresh sawdust. The Pizzolato PTH 1400 All-Road is nothing short of extraordinary, a true marvel of human ingenuity. That was looking like it was heading for a huge mess for a second. Imagine cleaning that up. With its 700 horsepower Volvo engine and the capacity to handle 800mm logs while churning out an impressive 380 cubic meters of wood chips per hour, it showcases our relentless pursuit of efficiency and innovation. Its rotating, liftable cabin and precision crane are the epitome of seamless control, embodying our drive to master complex tasks with ease and finesse. Check this out, the OSA 270 Helgam Logma. If power and versatility are what you're after in the woods, look no further. With the muscle to haul 12 tons effortlessly and an advanced leveling system that keeps it steady on the toughest terrain, this machine is a game changer. From forwarding logs to processing timber, the Helgam handles it all like a pro. Looks like a task for the professionals, right? What possibly could go wrong? Yep, didn't see that one coming. Can you imagine being at the controls of a true powerhouse? A machine built to dominate. The Timber Pro TL745D, paired with the monstrous Quadco 27SC, is nothing short of a mechanical beast. Like a fire-breathing dragon, it obliterates towering trees with breathtaking speed and force, leaving the earth trembling under its might. This isn't just machinery, it's a marvel of engineering, a seamless blend of steel, hydraulics, and raw power. Ready to take the reins of this titan and tame the untamed? This is the ultimate tool for mastering the forest. Yeah, that's a hard no from me. Just look at that hill, steep enough to make your knees weak, and the truck's carrying an extreme load on top of it. One wrong tap on the brakes, and that beast could go sliding straight to the bottom. Nope, not today. The crisp scent of fresh pine, the rhythmic hum of the sawmill, and the stunning grain of a ponderosa tree. These are the moments I love to see where a beautiful tree can live on forever in someone's home. This particular tree may have been a victim of the storm, but its story doesn't end here. It will be transformed into high-quality lumber, destined to become something timeless and enduring. That's how they honor the tree's legacy, by giving it a new purpose that can be cherished for generations to come. Meet the Black Splitter S 2X800, the ultimate log-splitting machine. It doesn't just split logs, it obliterates them. Stubborn, knotty wood? This beast laughs in the face of resistance. It's like a lumberjack on a caffeine binge. Unstoppable and slightly terrifying. Forget the axe, this bad boy works faster than your ex leaving with half your stuff. Sometimes you've got to call in the big guns to take down a tree. But what a shame, they sent a rookie. This could get interesting. Now this is my cup of tea. Smooth, powerful, and gets the job done. What's not to love? Doesn't this look straight out of a horror movie? Something about it screams unstoppable beast. And honestly, I'd love to take the controls myself. Just look at it tearing through those bushes like they owe it money. But let's be real, isn't it just a little too much? Total overkill, but in the most glorious way possible. Let me tell you, this is how lumber used to be made. No shortcuts, no compromises. Back then, the sawmills didn't shy away from taking big cuts, and they certainly didn't flinch at logs the size of a car. They were built for brute strength and endurance, and they delivered every time. These days, it's all about squeezing every last inch of wood, but something feels lost in the process. That's why we keep these old machines alive. They're not just tools, they're reminders of an era when craftsmanship was king. Want to remove a tree? Ask Mother Nature. The Dipper Fox SC850 Pro stump grinder is a game changer. This machine doesn't just remove stumps, it obliterates them, grinding them into sawdust in mere seconds. It's like a wood chipper on hyperdrive, designed for maximum efficiency and brute grinding power. When it comes to tackling the toughest stumps, nothing compares to this beast. Just watching this machine and listening to it peel away at the trunk is soothing. From one overkill to the next, but hey, let's be practical. Roots are an absolute nightmare to deal with, so why not turn the problem into a solution? Crush them down and turn that stubborn mess into manageable, usable firewood. Efficient and satisfying. I've seen my fair share of debarkers, but the Raver WD1400 is truly in a class of its own. It takes on massive logs with ease, handles any wood type you throw at it, and boasts an incredibly accurate optical detection system. Add to that its smooth speed control and minimal downtime, and you've got a machine built for serious productivity. For anyone focused on sawmill efficiency, the Raver WD1400 is the ultimate solution. And there you have it. Did you like the roar of those beasts? Don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell to join the Mighty Machines crew. More power-packed action is just around the corner. See you on the next adventure.